funny. I just keep looking at him. I can't believe that is the same person. That would lead us to today's question. How are you? Hope you all having a lovely day. So, another vlog, guys, answering one of your questions about the hair system. All people know it's the hair system, and to be honest, I am very open and honest about the hair system, but people reaction sometimes really funny because people can't believe that this is not your hair. That person is the same as this person. As I said, I am always open and honest about the hair system. It's something I am proud of, something got my confidence back, so why should I hide it? I remember I used to take off my hair system, go to the local barber shop, get my hair cut. So I remember one day I talked to that guy next to me, he was talking, he was like really nice lad. I saw him a couple of days later in the gym. I was like, oh hello, how are you? I had my hair system on. He looked at me, he didn't recognise me. That was so funny. Yeah, people can't believe that this is a hair system. And this is today's question. If you have any more questions about the hair system, visit hairforall.com and have a great day, guys. See you soon.